For those of you that have never pulled a carb out of a 660, without taking all this assembly apart, the quick way to do it is go to full throttle and stick your finger in there and grab the butterfly and then pull the carb straight out with the butterfly in the wide open position. I'll see if I can demonstrate it right quick maybe. I'm going to help, I'm holding it in the wide open position, and I'm helping that throttle rod back. It's wanting to return on its own. It's got a spring within the handle assembly. Okay. And we'll just slip this on out. Pulse line's free. I'm going to have to slip the fuel line down and off, and we should be free. Fuel line's very hard on this thing, so we'll probably want to replace that. I mean, it's hard as a billy goat horn. There we go. So get your throttle, your butterfly to full throttle, and then you'll slightly lift the rod up and it should slip over back and come straight out. I think here we can see the carb limiters, and again you see Stihl on the carburetor. And I've got some video footage of Stihl carburetors being made in China, but so it goes, and that's the way it is. So, pretty carburetor, still got the limiters on it. That's a good sign for Mr. Jamie. As far as the intake goes, those of you that do this know this. There's a little metal ring inside here, and that keeps the rubber bellows there from collapsing or pulling out should the saw get in a bind. So that comes out, and you got a ring right here, a big ring that goes around the outside. The little ring goes on the inside, big ring's on the outside, and right here it says top, but it's on the bottom. That 461 job I did a while back, same thing. That's pretty interesting. So you guys that work on Stihls, see if that ain't what you're seeing. Alright, there's that. And now we'll push the intake through that way and undo the AV bushings, and the tank will pull right out of the body of the saw. And I find that's easier to work on the top end. Plus we want to clean everything out for Mr. Jamie. He likes his stuff clean. So that's what we'll do next. Thank you for watching.